how to get strong and toned legs. Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing fine. These are tough times, but I hope you all are taking care of yourselves as well as your family and just staying home and staying safe. These videos are a nice way for me to just keep a schedule and stay safe. So, so that's why today's workout is gonna be a leg workout, a leg series, and yeah, go. So in this workout, we're gonna work different muscles of our legs, the abductors, your glutes, your quadriceps, your hamstrings, your inner thighs, your hip flexors as well as extensors. And yeah, so these exercises will help you to make your these specific muscles stronger, fire them up, make them really work and tone them up. So yeah, let's get to it.
Now we'll get to our first exercise. It is a side lying leg series. For this, just lie on your side in this manner. Place your hand in a way that you're comfortable. Lie in a way that you are nice and tall. And now we begin with just lifting our legs up. Exhale while coming up and inhale while going down. As you can see that as I come down, I slow down. So here you need to remember that you have to, as always, engage your core, but here you also have to really squeeze your butt in. So do that, and now we are getting into pulses, right? This will give a nice burn to the side of your leg. I think I have done about 20 pulses, and then I'm gonna hold for like 10 seconds. That's giving a real nice burn. And now we're gonna get into circles, 10 circles clockwise and anti-clockwise. Inhale, exhale. Make sure that you keep breathing throughout the exercise and keep your shoulders straight. Do not sink into your shoulders and stay in a comfortable position. This exercise will also test your stability and balance. I just hope that you do not fall forward or backwards while performing this exercise. That was a great burn. Now we're gonna do the same thing on the other side because you've got to equal out. So yeah, just lie down nice and straight. Oh wow, that crow, man. These crows are pretty nasty. Anyways, getting back. Now we're gonna lie down and start by raising our legs. So yeah, as I was saying, that here in this exercise the goal is not to go as high as you can, not to take your leg as high as you can, but squeeze your glute and take your leg as high as you can, right? Now we're getting into the pulses. The pulses really give you the desired tone in your legs, because that's when your muscles are actually burning. Now I'm doing the 10-second hold right here. As you can see, I'm also breathing in and out, which is a breathing principle, and my core is engaged. Make sure your core is engaged, because even though you're doing your leg exercise, that is, you're working your leg muscles, you're still working your core. And try not to fall on either sides. You can get the hold of this exercise with time for sure. Now for the next exercise, which is the kneeling squats. We're going to do about 15 repetitions of this exercise. Well, just come on your knees and make sure your knees are hip width apart. Keep your feet flexed in this manner and just go down and sit on your heels in this manner. While you're doing this, make sure that you squeeze your glutes while coming up. As they say, keep your bum smiling. Yeah, and now that we're up, now we're going into pulses. These will really give you a nice burn and a nice tone in your quadriceps. The idea is to think that you are working your quadriceps. That way you will actually achieve results in the right manner. Here I'm just cooling off a bit. Now we're getting into the third exercise. This is called as the hinge. So it is just as the previous exercise. You spread your legs, or you keep your knees at hip distance apart, and then you just hinge, like you just go backwards until a point that you know that you can also come ahead. This will also work your quadriceps and your hamstrings, and will really increase the strength of your quadriceps. It will make it stronger and give it a nice tone. Now I'm just holding at an angle for about 10 to 15 seconds. During this exercise, as well as the previous exercise, you can also use a dumbbell in order to increase the challenge in the exercise. Now we are getting to the fourth exercise of the workout routine. These are just simple leg lifts, but what makes them challenging is that you're sitting straight while your core is engaged and you're lifting your legs, which makes it a bit challenging. Also, your shoulders are completely straight, so it becomes all the more challenging. But as you get the hold of it, you'll really work your quadriceps in a better way. Now getting into the next exercise, which is I think the fifth exercise of the routine. You're gonna lie down long and straight, and you're gonna here you're gonna point and flex. Make sure that this exercise might look easy, but it's not, because again your balance is being tested, your core is engaged, your butt is tight, and you're breathing, and you're also pointing and flexing. You gotta do it on the other side to make it even. Yeah, notice how I am balancing myself, at the same time how my core is also engaged. And when the benefit of flexing your legs when you go back is that you're also shaping your glute while doing this exercise. Now coming to the final exercise, here we're going to work our inner thighs. You need to get a towel and place it in between your knees and lie down in this manner. Your legs are hip width apart. Pull your core in, engage your core, and here it might not be visible, but all I'm doing is pressing the towel inside my knees. It is as simple as that, but you have to think that you are actually activating your inner thighs. So think that you're activating your inner thighs and getting them to work, and press that towel in between your knees and release it. Press it and release it. Press it and release it. And now I'm holding it for about 10 to 15 seconds. This exercise will get your inner thighs nice and burning.
Hey guys, so that was the workout, and hope you find this workout really effective as I did. This workout has helped me work on my quadriceps, my abductors, hamstrings, my inner thighs, my glutes especially. So yeah, although these exercises seem very basic, which they are, these are really basic mat Pilates exercises. But if they are done in accordance with the principles on which I've made a video before, then they can be very effective and they can give good results. So yeah, if this routine as a whole is done 3 to 5 times a week, twice a day, then I bet you will get your desired results. So yeah, that was the video. Hope you all enjoyed it, and yeah, stay safe, stay home, take care of yourselves and your family, and yeah, signing off. Bye bye.